In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a conversation in Gmail. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. And once you're inside your inbox, locate the email thread you want to quiet. Click the checkbox to the left of the conversation thread to select it. After selecting the thread, you go to the top horizontal toolbar and click the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, click Mute. Once muted, you'll see a confirmation message in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. This means the conversation has been muted, and future replies to that thread will skip your inbox and go directly to all mail. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the email thread in your inbox list. From the context menu that appears, click Mute to apply the same action. If you need to mute multiple threads at once, click the checkbox for all the conversations you want to mute. Then click the More icon in the top toolbar and select Mute from the drop-down menu. Again, you'll see a confirmation message in the lower left-hand corner confirming the action. If you change your mind immediately after muting, click the Undo button in the notification pop-up at the bottom left to reverse the action. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!